Users of Open Code, another very, very popular CLI, were pissed. This credential is not only authorized for use with Claude Code and cannot be used with other API requests. So Open Code allowed you to use your Claude Code subscription with their tool. And they got this message, and then Dax tweeted out a fix for it. You need to prefix your API key with certain characters, and then they blocked it again. And this is Anthropic's attempt to not make you, force you to use Claude Code if you're on that max plan. So it's so funny how we've just talking about the max plan. This forces you to use Claude Code when you're using their max plan. The max plan is not for you to use other tools. And Dax, the guy from Open Code, said quite rightly that models are not sticky. Models aren't the reason why people are staying with companies. It's why you've got OpenAI throwing everything at the wall, because the model alone is not really the thing that's keeping people. It's the ecosystem around it. It's the tooling around it. Similarly, Claude Code or Claude Anthropic, they want to tie you into their system as much as possible. So there's no opportunity or thought or reason for you to do something else. On the surface, it's like, yeah, they're still getting paid. All it is that CLI. But the more you use all their features, the more you use like, co-work or skills or /command, sub-agents, all this sort of stuff, you start to become a goldfish in a goldfish bowl in some ways, and you don't really look out elsewhere because you're just constantly seeing that orange butthole, that little orange star thing, and all you think about is Anthropic, Claude Code, you know. So on the one hand, Dax, understood, and he's the guy who invented Open Code. On the other hand, a lot of people are very frustrated with this, and all I would say is go watch their videos, because I'm sort of in the middle a little bit with it all. I think it comes down to just choice, but it's against their TOCs. It's always been against their TOCs to use this, because the law is if there is a loophole, then people can use that loophole, right? If you leave a loophole in, then people can use it, and it's not against the law. Yeah. So the terms of service might be something a little less specific than you can only use this with Claude Code. It might be a bit more abstract and a bit more, just a bit more abstract and less specific about using it with Claude Code. It might leave open to interpretation that you could, in fact, use this with Open Code or any other, tool and platform. Last thing I'll say is Claude Code you can run as an NCP server. So that's another way you could potentially, like, I can use Claude Code with Cursor, and I've got a short on that. I think I released it this week. You can, you can set up, it will be on next week's video as well. You can set up Claude Code as an MCP server and access Claude Code within Cursor. So I don't know whether that's a bypass. But yeah. That's all I have to say on that.
Cool.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.